Hi guys! This 1/18 scale monster truck was sent to me by rcmoment.com, so thank you very much. It's the A979-B model, which is claimed to run 70 km an hour. Now let's see what's inside this box. Of course we have a manual and a wrench for the wheel nuts. As usual in WLtoys models, the manual is very comprehensive. Here we can see all the electric components. We also have very nice exploded views. And of course a spare parts list. Now let's take the car itself out of this box. So here it is. But first let's take out the accessories. Looks like the transmitter is stuck. Maybe I should cut the zip tie first. Now we are in. So let's take it out. It looks like the usual standard WLtoys transmitter. Trim buttons for steering and throttle. It takes 4 AA batteries. But now we want to cut the remaining zip ties and take this car out of this box. So here it is. Looks good. The suspension works nice and free. The differentials are a little bit tight, but this can be helpful to keep this car under control. So what else did we get? I think this will be the charger. Yes, it's the standard WLtoys LiPo charger for 2S batteries. It has a standard balancing port. Now let's take the body off and see what's inside. The legs and body looks good. But headphones? Why headphones? Now have a look at this enormous 540 can size motor. Compared with the brushless motor of this A959, this motor is a monster. To handle the torque of this motor, the cups are made of metal. The non-B model has plastic cups. As I said, the differentials are a little bit tight, but this could be helpful with this enormous motor. Now let's see which type of battery we got. It's a 1500 mAh 7.4 volt LiPo. The balance lead plugs into the charger like this. The suspension looks a little bit jumpy, but upgraded oil shocks are available. Now let's take off a wheel and have a look at the bearings. There are 2 nuts, which is good. They tend to become loose on the non-B model. So let's also remove the second nut. The wheel is now free. There is no foam inside the tires, and we will see how it performs at high speeds. Now let's remove the hex adapter and have a look at the bearings. Yes, bronze bushings, no ball bearings, but you can easily replace them with ball bearings. This is the tiny locking pin. The steering mechanism feels good. We also have a servo saver. The central drive shaft is also made of metal. The tie rods are very soft and I think they will survive crashes easily. Now let's reattach the removed wheel. Now we are ready to connect the battery and switch this thing on. First we need to attach the tie-down strap. No, this will not work. Let's try it the other way around. Now it's better. Now let's plug in the DINS connector. Will it explode? No smoke so far, so let's switch it on. Of course we also need transmitter batteries. I recommend to use Eneloop AA rechargeables. Will this thing work? I'm surprised. Looks like the usual dead zone around the center position is gone. Did they learn and have changed something in the steering? Very good. But how fast will it be? Yes, it seems to be fast. Almost no dead zone with the new one. Now let's remove the batteries and test the old ones. As I already said, I recommend to use Eneloop AA batteries for the transmitters. Is the new one really better? Did they change the potentiometer or the software? Of course, it's also possible that they have changed the receiver software. We always have to switch on the car first with this system. Now it's paired. As you can see, the steering has a huge dead zone around the center position with this remote. Yes, this behavior makes the car completely uncontrollable at high speeds. So let's try another one. So this is the second older WLtoys transmitter I have. Will this one be better? Again we have to power cycle the receiver. Now it's paired. As expected, this one also has a huge dead zone. So let's compare with the new one again. So can we confirm that WLtoys has optimized the transmitter? Let's see. Yes, I think it's confirmed. The transmitter still looks the same. But the steering was significantly improved. So, well done, WLtoys. I like it. So all in all, the B version is a big improvement. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!